Best deals.
1. Frying pan. Flat bottom induction compatible pan works seamlessly on gas, electric, halogen and induction cooktops. Wooden grain or heat resistant handle ensures a secure, balanced grip and reduces wrist fatigue during cooking. Smart non-stick finish resists stains and scrub damage, just a gentle swipe and rinse for spotless results. Ideal for frying eggs, sautéing veggies, pancakes, omelets or quick stir fries. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Chakla Belan set is a must-have for any kitchen, featuring a durable roti maker wooden design that ensures effortless chapati preparation every time. Crafted from high-quality wood, the Roti Belan Chakla set offers a sturdy and reliable surface, ideal for rolling out perfectly round chapatis and rotis with ease. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Chopping board. Upgrade your kitchen with this premium stainless steel chopping board, crafted from high-quality, food-grade steel for durability, hygiene, and long-lasting performance. Ideal for everyday use in modern kitchens, knife features a built-in two-sided rocking blade, making it easier to chop vegetables, fruits, and herbs quickly with minimal effort. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Baking tray. Made from high-quality, BPA-free silicone, designed for easy release, quick cleanup, and high durability. Enjoy mess-free cooking with non-stick, heat-resistant silicone liners that can handle temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for air frying, using your Instant Pot air fryer, silicone accessories, air fryer cover, and kitchen tray for added convenience. Use the silicone mold for air fryer to bake cakes, cookies, and bread, or cook meals like chicken, veggies, and fries. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Kadai. Its triple-layer construction, from base to rim, leaves no chance of food burning and food sticking to the cookware surface. Cooking healthy food in this triple kadai is thus easier, hassle-free and without any chemicals. Its even heat distribution factor helps to preserve 85% of food nutrients. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Wrap dispenser. All-in-one design makes you can put wax paper, tin aluminum foil and a roll of paper towels mounted in, which is very convenient to access and saves a ton of space on your kitchen counter. The cling film cutter with two built-in two-way hidden sliding blades, sharp and durable. Safe operation without injury to your hands. The plastic wrap comes out evenly and cuts quickly and neatly, no more waste from tangled attempts to tear off a piece of plastic wrap for food. It comes with two hooks on the back, so you can hang it anywhere on the wall or countertop. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Grater. This versatile slicer for kitchen use ensures your veggies are sliced uniformly, offering efficiency and ease in your cooking routine. Crafted from durable stainless steel, promises longevity and reliability. This grater for kitchen is ideal for finely shredding cheese, making it a must-have tool for any culinary enthusiast seeking quality and precision. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Organizers. Protects your underwear from dust and moisture while keeping your closet organized, reducing clutter for a stress-free experience. This multi-purpose wardrobe organizer keeps the garments damage-free, clean and new for years. Utilize your leftover wardrobe space to neatly organize small garments like leggings, bra, panties, dupattas, vest, cosmetics. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Pot handle. Compatible with pots, pans, kadai, tawa and most handleless cookware. One handle works across multiple utensils with ease. Equipped with a secure clip lock mechanism that holds vessels firmly in place, built with heat-resistant materials to protect your hands from burns. While lifting hot pots, pans and vessels directly from the stove. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Counter pan rack. With 8 adjustable tiers to create a tidy and spacious kitchen. Fits on countertops or inside cabinets. The 8-tier design allows you to easily adjust shelves to fit various pot and pan sizes, providing flexible and personalized kitchen storage solutions. Made from high-quality metal, this rack ensures long-lasting use. It securely holds heavy pots and pans, keeping your kitchen essentials safe and organized. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Tap cleaner. Spray on surface, let it rest for 60 seconds, scrub and rinse with water. Wipe water with a dry cloth. Cleans toughest hard water stains and leaves a sparkling shine, suitable for bathroom, shower, taps, fittings, tiles, faucets, sinks, mirrors and more. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Duster. The microfiber feather duster head and a flexible chenille head can be bent to any degree, which can be bent into various angles you want. The flexible head can be cleaning all kinds of dead angles, making it easy to clean hard to reach locations, such as ceiling fans and the top of cabinets. Duster extension to be thicker and more sturdy so you can get in those tough to reach places without worrying about your extension pole bending or breaking. This gives you more control and a deeper clean, very suitable for cleaning crevices, walls, fans, high ceilings, spider webs, ceiling fans, bookshelves, lampshades, desktops, photo frames, household appliances, cars, home or office. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Shelf. Made from strong alloy steel with a double-layer powder coating, the set is designed to withstand humidity, ensuring long-lasting rust resistance and durability. The sleek black finish adds sophistication, while the wire bottom allows water to drain quickly, keeping items dry and mold-free. This hassle-free setup helps protect your walls from damage. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Oil sprayer. Designed to work as both an oil sprayer and a pour dispenser, allowing easy switching between misting and controlled pouring. Upgraded spray spout delivers an even mist for consistent oil distribution while preventing leaks and mess during pouring. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Saucepan. The 4.06 mm thick base and sides spread heat evenly and retain warmth for a long time, making it an excellent utensil for both cooking and serving. It is offered with hard anodized lead. The food stays hot longer and you have less to clean up. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Storage bags. Keep your kitchen organized and sustainable with these reusable mesh bags. Multi-purpose mesh bags for kitchen storage, ideal for storing fruits, vegetables and kitchen accessories. This is made from high-quality, breathable mesh material. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Bread basket. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade BPA-free silicone, this 9.6-inch round-proofing basket offers exceptional durability and flexibility. It can withstand rigorous use without warping or cracking, making it an ideal companion for both daily bakers. Elevate your baking with the basket's meticulously designed round line pattern. It not only imparts an attractive rustic finish but also promotes even proofing for a uniform crumb and crust. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Air fryer liners. Perfect replacement for disposable air fryer parchment papers, reusable, washable, eco-friendly, and save you money on one-time use air fryer papers. Prevent food from sticking to the basket, keep your air fryer basket free from food residue, make cleanup a breeze, dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Containers. Is made of professional quality, food-grade silicone material which is odorless, BPA-free, and safe for the all family to use. The smooth silicone surface makes it easy to clean, dishwasher, freezer, oven safe. The soup storage container is reinforced with a stainless steel frame for extra stability. The soup freezer cube will not tilt when you fill it with liquid diets. You can put the freezer tray in the refrigerator without tilting. A must-have in every kitchen. These also work great as giant ice cube trays. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Sink. Pull-down spray faucet with 3 versatile spray modes allows long reach, and the high-arc 360-degree swivel spout supply full range of washing access, allows extra flexibility. Sprayer head always retract back to spout after each use. Waterfall spout makes this sink really pretty and the large area of flowing water make it easy and effective when washing foods and tableware. will offer you an extremely pleasure experience. The matte nano coating surface will not have water stains, wipe clean for easy maintenance. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Blender. It is useful for beating, cake creams and eggs, liquidizing, soup, dal, baby food, churning, milkshake, lassi, buttermilk, coffee, extra durability of ABS plastic, easy to grip for lefties and rightists, quick to clean, easy to store. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Storage bag. Is made of high quality transparent cloth and it is made to come. The household organizing bag has zippers for maximum convenience. These extra large storage bags are great for storing, transporting and organizing all sorts of items from clothing, toys, shoes, towels, supplies, blankets, laundry, Christmas decor and more. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Soap dispenser. The liquid used in the soap dispenser is to be able to foam the liquid itself, and then add water to the liquid and shake it evenly into the soap dispenser bottle for use. The ratio of liquid to water is 1:3. 430 ml large transparent soap container design makes the soap dispenser can serve you 500 times around. Convenient transparent container design is very convenient for you to check the left amount and refill in time. After fully charged, it can be used for up to 3 months without needing to be recharged, so you won't have to worry about the device running out of power in the middle of use. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Sprouter. Adapts traditional method to grow sprout beans and pulses in the most hygienic way. Sprouts are proved to be best for good health and growing sprouts at home is the most hygienic way. Kit creates the ideal environment for growing sprouts like radish, alfalfa and much more. Not only does the sprouter look great on display, the ventilation system is designed to increase airflow for reduced mold and no more seed clumping like other indoor sprout growers, no soil or sunlight needed. The sprout growing kit allows you to garden year-round indoors. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Steamer. Cook noodles, pasta, soup, rice, boil eggs, steam vegetables, meat, fish, make tea or coffee and prepare quick meals easily with one compact appliance. Spacious 1.5 L capacity makes it ideal for daily cooking needs for students, bachelors, small families, office use and travel convenience. A measuring cup with piercing pin also comes with 350 W power to boil and steam foods quickly. It has a boil dry protection that cuts off the supply once the water is finished, It also supports boiling and cooking functions, making it ideal for preparing tea, boiling milk, cooking noodles, soups, and other quick meals. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Drawer. Perfect for organizing clothes, toys, makeup, kitchen essentials, and more. An ideal plastic cupboard or baby almirah for versatile home use. Made with strong, lightweight plastic, this modular drawer storage unit offers long-lasting durability, ideal for bedrooms, kitchens, or kids' rooms. This compact plastic drawer organizer fits seamlessly as a wardrobe plastic cabinet, cosmetic organizer shelf, or kitchen storage rack for home. From a small almirah or makeup organizer box to a rack for storage multi-purpose, it's perfect for every room's clutter-free look. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Hangers. Is designed to be compact, making it ideal for saving space in your closet. Its slim profile allows you to store more clothes in a smaller area, giving you more room for other items. The pants hanger is made from high-quality materials that are rust-resistant, making it durable and long-lasting. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Coconut husk peeler. Is made up of strong material. It will not rust easily because it has anti-rust paint protection. Easy to operate and transportable, easy to remove coconut husk with less effort, and it is portable. Sharp cutting pointer with a sturdy handle. This special one makes removing of the husk from the coconut very effortlessly. Peeler is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring that it continues to perform optimally with regular use. The ergonomic handle of the peeler provides a comfortable grip. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Mat are made of high-quality EVA material, which is BPA-free and safe to contact with food directly. The fridge liner is a must-have refrigerator accessories for any RV, home or kitchen. You can use it without worrying about any harm. Each refrigerator pad with side prevents sliding while bottom a smooth pattern can well grasp the shelf, can be easily removed and leave no residue. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Electric Spin Mop. Designed to fundamentally transform how we approach floor hygiene, this advanced cleaning device replaces laborious scrubbing and heavy buckets with an intelligent, motorized system that takes the physical strain out of your routine. Whether you are dealing with sticky kitchen spills, trapped in mud in the entryway, or the daily accumulation of fine dust in your office, the electric spin mop offers a highly efficient, versatile, and modern approach to facility maintenance. These circular microfiber or scrubbing pads spin at optimized speeds, typically ranging between 150 rpm and 4200 rpm depending on the motor capabilities. This rapid spinning action mimics the motion of rigorous manual scrubbing, effortlessly lifting away stubborn stains, dried liquids, and invisible microparticles without requiring you to push down on the machine. The motorized action does the heavy lifting, essentially driving the mop forward and ensuring a consistent clean across every square inch of your floor. Operating on rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, these devices offer unparalleled freedom of movement. Users are no longer tethered to a wall outlet or restricted by the length of a power cable, allowing for seamless transitions between rooms, hallways, and open-plan office spaces. Whether you are a tall individual or need to reach into tight spaces, the telescopic extension rod allows you to customize the height of the mop to your specific comfort level. By eliminating the need to stoop, bend, or kneel while mopping, the adjustable handle helps prevent lower back strain and overall bodily fatigue. This makes the device highly accessible and user-friendly for individuals of all ages and physical capabilities, including the elderly and those with limited mobility. Product link is given in the 30th link.